Hi, I'm Brandon Pierce and this is my 2022 WRX Limited. I use it for SCCA Rallycross here in Southern California. Some really important mods I have are my Method wheels, my Rally Innovations light bar, Perrin transmission mounts, and of course my Eibach PRO-LIFT-KIT. Yeah, I love my Rally Innovations light bar with the Baja Designs lights. They really help for hitting up the trails at night, and they're a little bit more flashy for photos on the track as well. I chose Method wheels because they have a real big heritage in the racing and off-road industry, and I felt that I could trust that. Paired with my Method wheels are Bridgestone Blizzaks. They're kind of the classic entry-level tire to get you into rallycross without going into a full rally tire. They've been really great this season. They'll probably last me throughout the rest of the season as well. Since I was one of the early adopters of the new platform, I actually worked with AEM and MagnaFlow on a really nice intake and exhaust setup. And to add a little bit of reliability when out here on the track, I have a Perrin air oil separator. Interior-wise, kept things pretty simple. Have a Brom harness bar, harnesses, and FIA rated seats. Recently installed the DarkMatter-X DM2 shifter, so I upgraded from cable linkage to direct linkage shifting, and everything's super crisp out there on the track. If you'd like to follow the build and see some other cars that I'm building at this time, check me out on Instagram at TRBOO_Brandon.